Simon here, how are you? We are going to learn how to play Can't Find My Way Home by Blind Faith today. More of an acoustic version. There's a really cool one on the internet of Steve Winwood actually doing it. He's playing actually in C effectively, because he's tuned it down another 2 frets from here, but my tiny acoustic guitar couldn't handle the depth. But if you've got a regular size acoustic guitar, you could do that, but you play the same thing, just the tuning, right? Now I do have a drop D here. Alright, so chords are pretty straightforward here. We've got a C, like a C sus2, so we've got 3, 0, 0, 3, and then G, 0, 0, right? G over B, and then G minor, so 1, 0, 0, 3 still, and then a D major, right? So strumming wise, I've got 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2 and 3 and 4, right? Then we get to an F5. Now when we've got drop D here, it just put your 3rd finger across the 3rd fret, you get an F5. And then on the and 4 and, I'm playing, this note is now an F, E, D, and then a G. You don't need to play a G like that. You could play a G like this, get G5, or get a G major. That would be 5, 5, 0, 0, 3, or 0, 3, right? G major, G5, and then D major. Big one, right? Right. And then you walk back up into the C by going A, B, and then back into C sus2. D, F5, D. Right. Now, in those 2 bars of D, bars 7 and 8 there, you can do anything you like. There's loads of room, there's no melody, you know. All of that drop D kind of goodness. Sure, I've got a drop D lesson on here on cool stuff you can do in drop D. I'll link it in the post description. All right, then we've got a chorus. Right, so G. This G, 5, 5, 0, 0, 0, 3. And then A7 sus4, D major, and then E minor 7. Basically just play E minor like you normally would, jump those up because obviously this is drop D, it's a D, so E, now we're playing E minor 7. Nice, you can put an extra 7 in there on the 3rd fret of the B string if you like. And then back to G. Right? So, and then you're going to play an A with a C sharp in the bass, and then G with a B in the bass, and then back to D. So that whole chorus is 2 bars of G, 2, 3, 4. A7 sus4, D with an A in the bass, E minor 7, G, all right, and then walk back up, and round you go. F, G, D. Down we go. Told you to put anything in there. F, G, D. Chorus. G, A7 sus4, D, E minor, G, A, G, D. And that is how you play it. See you later. Check this video out next. Bye.